never really get our motorcycles exactly how we want them. I think I finally got mine just that way. I mean, it seems like sometimes we buy a new bike, we build it out, and then we sell it. We keep changing bikes. Does that make any sense? Maybe it's the Harley brainwashing. I mean, we know it. If you buy a Harley, you're gonna buy the motorcycle, and then you're gonna spend at least half of it, what you paid for it, to make changes to it. They're brilliant marketing folks, I'm telling you. And we know it, and we keep doing it. And we make changes to make changes. It's like I got the new bike, and I haven't put pipes on it, or I haven't... One of those things that sometimes not changing is better in everything we do, right? But to me, the biggest thing that I think is not good for not only our wallets and our motorcycle, but for our heads, it's that compare mentality. I'd like to say I've never been guilty. I have. I guess there's a time in your life, mine's been a few years at least, that you don't do that anymore. It's just crazy. It's not good for your head. Compare yourself against yourself, right? I mean, there's certain things about my 2024 Road Glide that I just love. Things I've done, not to compare, but for me. And there's some things I'm just never going to change. Like my Reinhardt pipes. They sound great. They're freaking awesome. I'm never going to change those. So for me, I love the Reinhardt exhaust. I mean, it is something that is just perfect to me. As far as the seat, you all know I love Mustangs. Mustang seat, comfortable right out of the box. I'll always have it on my bikes if possible. And then of course, the Freedom Shield. I moved over to the Freedom Shields probably about 3 or 4 months ago. Freaking love them. Always be on my bike. So there's a lot of things that I really do like about this motorcycle, and it's satisfying me about my bike. And of course, there's the ride. So some boating advice for what it's worth. Do what makes you happy. Don't give a crap what other people think. Your life will be a lot better, I'm telling you. Make sure you can do something that you can afford. Don't outdo your motorcycle past your skill set. Don't change this to change something. And most importantly, don't be a compare person. It's not healthy. What is just riding your motorcycle and loving what we do. Y'all be safe.
Oh, it's time for me to check on all my friends, like the Wolverines and Lions for the win. Mrs. Bodine by my side, we'll take Harley for a ride. I love you all like I love this.